G'day everybody, Steve here. Let's have a look at Bitcoin on the 13th of May. First thing we might do is jump over to the bubbles. On the bubbles here, we can see just about everybody in green except UST, of course. And the big movers here are GMT token and Ape, both up around 69%. Gala Games also up 75% and Maker up 67%. Mana also up 56%. So some big movers right at the moment. The notable exception from the bubbles here is Luna. They've been taken down so they don't show up on the bubbles anymore. Let's go to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin up about 6.5% in the last 5.5 hours. Looking pretty good. Everybody in the green and everyone doing quite well. So if we have a look at where Bitcoin is at the moment, they're right at the $31,000 level, which is the top of the logarithmic channel. We came down to the bottom of the logarithmic channel yesterday, turned around, and now we're back up to the top of the channel. At this point where we are now at $31,000, there is a lot of resistance here. So if Bitcoin can break through this resistance at 31,000, then it can use that as support and hopefully sit above the channel. And what we'd really like to see here is that Bitcoin and the altcoins can continue to hold this until tomorrow. And if we can have similar moves to the upside tomorrow, then we can start regaining some of those losses. The point of today's video is good to see Bitcoin back up around the $31,000 level, but we are hitting resistance. We're on the 4-hourly at the moment. We can see the stochastics around about 95 and the RSI is about 47. We do have the yellow money to flow indicator above the zero line. It's at about 16 at the moment. Usually tops out around about 20. So all in all, everything looking pretty good at the moment. And if we move over to the hourly, we can see the stochastic and the RSI both overheated and the money to volume indicator actually dropping a little bit. So what we should expect here in the next hour or so is a bit of sideways action in the price of Bitcoin until it can regroup, and then we might be moving forward again. The ribbons have flipped green here on the hourly, another good indication, something good to see. We've also got a buy indicator flashed up. So a lot of things coming together on the hourly in the positive direction for Bitcoin. And on the daily, we can see here today's move from the bottom of the channel at around 29,000 to the top of the channel at around 31,000. As I said, at the moment on the hourly, it looks like we've got a couple of hours of sideways action, a little bit of retracement. And then what we'd be looking for is Bitcoin to break through this $31,000 mark and take it as support. At the moment, the 31,000 is supplying resistance and stopping Bitcoin from traveling through. So we'll reassess this again in another few hours. But all in all, good to see everything in green, and let's hope it all continues. My name's Steve, and if you've liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's it from me, and we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.